Welcome to Kevin's Niggas from Podcast.
Hello.
Hello.
This is from エアコンコンさん。
Okay.
こんにちは。
こんにちは。
エアコンコンです。
Wait, is he that guy that we've been arguing with on the show about the AC? Oh, he's back.
He's back.
Let's go. Let's do this.
先日の我々のエアコンに対する不満に関してプロの方から意見をいただきましたの回でメッセージを読んでいただき大変ありがとうございます。
Okay. All right, he's back.
He's back. It's professional.
Uh-huh.
トピックが選ばれたことに心躍らせて聞いていたら This guy doesn't answer your question というご指摘をいただきお客様のニーズを正しく把握できなかったことを大変反省いたしました誠に申し訳ございません。
No. It's okay. It's okay.
このままだとエアコン業界の存続が危ぶまれますので、仕事そっちのけで慌ててトピックリクエストを書いています、
Okay.
困りごとは25度に設定したのに22度ぐらいで止まってしまうでしたね。
Yes.
理由と対策について
Okay.
順を追って説明いたします。
Let's go.
Yeah. 少し理科の授業みたいになりますがお付き合いください。
Okay. I'm down. Let's go.
一般的に、日本のエアコンは吸い込んだ空気の温度をセンサーで測り、運転を続けるか決めています。
はい。
エアコンは天井近くにあることが多いですが、ここで問題なのが暖かい空気は冷たい空気より軽いという事実です。Just like we learn at school.
Yeah, we learn at school. Yes.
Science.
Yeah.
暖房では暖かい空気が天井付近にたまり、エアコン周辺だけがその暖かい空気で温まってしまうことがあります。そのため25度になったとエアコンが判断して止まっても床付近はまだ寒いということが起こります。冷房はこの逆で暖房よりも影響は小さいですが体感的には設定温度より少し寒く感じる場合があります。対策としては
Okay.
Are you good?
I'm holding it in.
Okay.
I'm holding it in. What? I'll wait. I'll wait.
Okay.
I'll wait.
Okay. Thank you for your patience.
Okay.
Yep. 対策としては暖房では風の向きをできるだけ下に、冷房では風の向きをできるだけ上に設定するのが有効です。また扇風機もおすすめです。冬場でも扇風機と思うかもしれませんが部屋の空気をかき混ぜると床と天井の温度差は小さくなります。最近では床の温度も測れるセンサーを搭載したエアコンというのも出ており、
cool.
こういった機種に買い替えるのも効果的です。
That's cool. That's really nice.
ちょっとお高いですが、
Okay.
蒸気が難しい場合はケビンさんのおっしゃる通り設定温度を気の済むところまで上げていただくしかございません。ケビンさんが I think a lot of people have the same questionとおっしゃっていましたが全くその通りです。弊社のもとにもそういったご意見は数多く寄せられており日々改善に取り組んでおります。
Okay.
ちなみに当の私がどうしているかと言いますと、部屋の壁についているセンサーをもとに正しく運転してくれるエアコンを使っています。
Oh, okay.
ですのでこのような問題もなく大変快適に過ごしております。こちらで質問の回答になっていますでしょうか。また今後の商品開発に生かすためフィードバックやご意見お待ちしております。かなり長文となってしまい恐縮ですが読んでくださりありがとうございます。
Okay. Bro, listen. What I'm talking about is it's obviously not warm. It's like obvious. It's like okay, when I jump, the ceiling is at a place where I can still reach them. You know, if I jump, like so, I'll know what the fuckers are feeling. Like I can tell, like and it's definitely not 25. It's just not 25.
Even if you're like floating and then just go up.
Yeah, like if I jump, I'll feel what the air is like up there, right? Like you'll know.
Yeah.
And it's obviously not 25.
Okay.
I get all that logic. I get it.
Yeah.
I've the lower hotter was it lower the hot? No, if it's higher hotter, lower cooler. I get it.
Yeah.
And we're on the lower side, and the fucker's on the upper side.
Yes.
So we have to make sure that we have to balance that out. And the fact that I like that the tabletop thermometer.
Sensor.
Tabletop sensor, I would love to have that. I would love to. I would love to try that.
Yeah, you have to testify that.
Yeah, I
If
would
that
have
works
Yes.
properly or not.
I would love to try that. So
Yeah.
thank you for introducing me to that world. I would love to try it. But I'm talking about it's fucking obviously not there. It's obviously not 25 up there too. It's just not. It just
I see.
it's not.
I see.
It's quiet.
Okay.
It's quiet.
What do you mean it's quiet?
The room is obviously cold,
yeah.
but the fucker's sleeping.
Yeah, I see.
It's quiet. Why? Why the fuck are you quiet? Get your ass fucking moving. That happens
okay.
sometimes, don't you think, man?
Yeah.
It's obviously the air around the aircon. It's not the temperature that we've set. Obviously. Bro.
Yeah.
That happens sometimes. Right? Right?
Yeah. I mean, to be honest, I don't use it anymore, so...
Oh, you don't use aircons, right? You
yeah,
use
I
something
just-
else.
Yeah, because...
Because you've given up on it.
Yeah.
You've given up on it.
Yeah, it doesn't...
Right.
It's not perfect for me.
It's not perfect. Exactly. Absolutely.
It dries up.
That's their
Yeah.
loss. That's AC's loss,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
We have a victim right here.
Yep.
He needs to be saved.
Yeah.
Yes.
I have ACs in my house. It's already like settled, like it's built in.
Yeah.
I don't use them.
You don't use them because you just have lost faith in them.
Yep.
It's just not worth it
Yeah.
anymore.
Yeah.
I understand you, man.
Yeah.
I understand
I
you.
paid for the, I guess for the like shikikins and like those setsubi heels, I guess, when I get into the house and
Yeah.
I don't use it.
But no, you're not using it. You're dumping all your cash down the drain.
Yeah.
Man. So I guess you answered half of the question. You've answered half of the question. But there are times where it's obviously not hot up there as well.
Okay.
And it's not working. And it's not working hard. Or it's working,
Okay.
but it's breathing out cold air.
Oh,
That happens too.
but you want to make it hotter, warmer.
Yeah. The air around it is obviously not hot,
Oh,
but it's still spitting out
the cold air?
lukewarm air. Just fucking almost cold, cold air. What the hell are you doing? Right?
That's a problem.
That's a problem.
That's a problem.
That's obviously a problem.
Yeah.
So
So you have to testify the sensor thing, the wall sensor or the desktop.
I have to try that.
Yeah.
If that fixes the problem, then yes, I will not. I will stay quiet. I will back down. I will accept
Yeah.
the fairness of the battle.
Right.
They've done a really good job if they,
Yeah.
if that's how it is.
Solve the
Yes,
problems.
I
and
would.
then,
Yeah, I would admit to that. I would definitely do.
yeah.
So,
But to do that, you have to pay and buy
yeah,
those are like expensive ACs.
yeah, probably.
Yeah.
I mean, if only there was like an add-on device where
Yeah,
you can
that's
like
way
sort of
better.
stick something
Right.
on
Right.
the AC
right,
and then
right.
wirelessly connected to the device,
Yeah.
tabletop, and if there was that, it'd be great. But
That would be great. お客様のご意見, I guess.
yeah, that's right, absolutely.
Please.
Please have that.
Yeah.
That makes it so much more affordable.
Yeah. It's a little too much for
The average consumer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like just for the testifying and buying brand new, like
Yeah.
expensive ACs and we have to call G's and everything.
Yeah,
a little
that's too much.
Yeah.
It's too much.
So it's like
Right.
a little device that you can pop in there.
Yeah. That'll make it so much
That's
easier.
Good, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. That's
All right. All right.
Yep.
I'm loving this battle here.
Well, yeah.
I'm loving it.
good. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
for,
thank you so much.
Yeah.
Very respectful.
Yes.
I feel the respect there.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. I
Thank
respect you for being respectful. Thank you, sir.
Lovely.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
All right. Thanks for listening, guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.